Hey, Tim Brown Jr. out of Salt Lake City, Utah from RGS Exteriors. Just want to give a shout out to GutterTopper and Gutter Covers International to let them know how much we appreciate them. We're a large rain gutter company in Utah, and so we have had every company throughout the country come to us and ask and beg and plead for us to rep their products. So we've literally tried, tested, and every single product there is out there. We settled on GutterTopper mostly because of what it does to strengthen the gutter. We've not found another gutter cover, period, that strengthens the gutter like GutterTopper does, with it attaching to the gutter and underneath the shingles itself. Not only have you've made it so the GutterTopper is strong, but that gutter itself is so much stronger. The other thing that we love about Gutter Covers International is that we have different products. We have GutterTopper, we have Terminator, and Solution is the ones that we offer. And so having all three products, no matter what the roof, no matter what the leaf type is, we have a solution. And then the last thing would just be the support. Angelica and the team in the office is amazing. We love GutterTopper. We're so grateful to be a part of GutterTopper and Gutter Covers International, and have it be a part of our team and a part of the products that we offer. It is a very integral part about who we are and about the growth of RGS.